You once said to me that this is really about managing fermentation and the fermentation process, that you're not actually feeding the animal, but you're feeding the bugs inside the animal. Do you want to kind of just elaborate a bit on that?
Yeah, we always look at animals and go, oh, this is the animal's requirement. But it's really important to stop and think that we're actually not managing an animal. We're managing a home brew kit. These animals are just fermenters. They take undigestible feed, goes into the stomach. They've got this beautiful relationship, which is symbiotic with a group of bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and viruses that pull all those plant materials apart. And they do two things. One is they produce volatile fatty acids. So the energy that the animal uses come from these volatile fatty acids. Volatile fatty acids basically get converted to glucose. But those bugs in the gut only live for 3 or 4 hours on average. So those dead bugs then become the microbial protein source of the animal.
Yeah.
So about 75 to 80% of all the energy that the animal utilises and 75 to 80% of all the protein the animal utilises actually comes from a byproduct of fermentation, not what we're actually directly feeding the animal. So we need to think about how do we stabilise these bugs, how do we drive fermentation, how do we make the environment most comfortable for these bacteria colonies to thrive, to generate that energy and protein that really drives our business.